So I was editing this vlog and I realized that the vlog just starts and it doesn't really have like a proper hello. So hello and welcome to another vlog. I have a little bit of snippets from a conference I attended related to work. Some of them are from the RDB concert and some from the Atif Aslam concert. So I'm gonna insert them now. Enjoy. So for the day, this is my outfit, and I am also wearing a leather jacket on top because it is so incredibly cold. We're at Charcoal and Bubs has ordered a pasta. As always, whenever we go anywhere, she orders a pasta. My brothers are camera shy.
Black olives and
हाँ ठीक है.
Hi Taimur. Do I have to ask for your consent? Do you consent?
सुप्रीम चिकन में और इसमें थोड़ा सा ही फर्क है.
Oh, I'm taking that as a yes because today is opposite day.
एक अभी है ना अनुषे.
Hi Dabish. हेलो ताबिश.
अनुषा मम्मा सुप्रीम चिकन में और इटालियन में थोड़ा सा ही फर्क है.
Exotic dream. What is that? It's a combination of pineapple and orange juice. Guys, look what's arrived in the mail today. This is a big parcel. Like, look at the thickness. Pops, what do you think is inside? Pops is not well though.
Yeah, I think there are clothes in there.
Yeah, Pops, I'm pretty sure there are clothes in there. Zebun Nisa have very kindly sent me some clothes, which I am super excited to try. I'm not going to be showing you all of them because I'm going to be doing a lookbook. So get excited. Good morning. So I was going through these. This is the Tasty Treasures Volume 2 Karachi Chefs at Home Cookbook. I was going through different recipes of what I wanted to cook. So I've like folded what I want to make. And for tonight, I'm thinking this, which is the microwave brownies. They look super easy. It sent me 3 cookbooks and they have some delicious recipes, which I really want to try. So we are going to be doing a giveaway of these books in collaboration with Karachi Chefs at Home. So I'm going to leave a little link to their Facebook page. All you have to do is go like their Facebook page, be subscribed to my YouTube channel, and comment down below what is your favorite kind of food that you would want to learn how to cook. So it could be Italian, French, desi, or like what dish is something that you would really want to learn how to cook. Guys, so we're going to start making the microwave brownies. I'm actually not going to put them in the microwave. I'm going to... Oh wait, should I do them in the microwave? Actually turned on the oven for this, but if it says microwavable brownies, we're gonna microwave them. These are the ingredients: flour, egg, butter, castor, sugar, baking powder, and cocoa. And I got some more cocoa. And for the icing, we have Milo. The wet ingredients in one and the dry ingredients in one, and they say to whisk it with a fork, but I'm gonna use this blender, like the food mixer kind of a thing, because I think that would just make my brownies a lot more fluffier. Alright, so ingredients have been whisked. Now I'm going to add the dry ones in. The mixture is ready. I've like battered it up with that spoon, and I'm going to put this in this glass jar. I'm not putting in anything else. It says you have to put it in a glass container and then microwave it for 8 minutes. So that is what I shall do. And it is done. Cooked. Although there is a big hump on there, but I bet it tastes delicious. We have to let it cool down first before we can eat this. This brownie would be amazing with vanilla ice cream. Amma, do we have vanilla ice cream? Yes. We're gonna eat this brownie with vanilla ice cream. So we've ordered cow safe from Simple Dimple. And I'm also watching a show called The 100. I would say that's a good Saturday night. So I've just come home from work, as always. And I have a couple of deliveries. I say a couple, I have quite a lot of deliveries today, and I love deliveries. And I have these because I haven't been home for a while, so they've kind of like accumulated. I have received this dress from Agha Noor, and oh my god, literally they have spoiled me. That is such a beautiful dress. Like, so this is what the outfit looks like, and it has like a cutout, so it ends here. And I'm thinking like straight pants with this. Bloody amazing. So thank you, Agha Noor. This is absolutely insane and very pretty. So thanks. Treehouse has sent me makeup wipes. So these are the cleaning wipes with 0% alcohol. The other wipes that they've sent me are the quick and effective mosquito wipes, and they keep the mosquitoes away. That is really cool. I think I'm gonna try those because there is one mosquito that is in my room and I hear it bzzz at night. So I'm gonna try these. And this brand has also sent me some face scrubs. So this one is a coffee scrub. One is called, what is this? It's the mint scrub. And this one is coconut. Oh sorry, they're all coffee scrubs. This one's strawberry. So I've just come home from work and my skin is looking pretty dead. So I was thinking, excuse the background, like I just flushed. TMI, I know, but I'm just letting you know. So my skin's been really dry and I want to kind of like lift it up and give it like a something like a boost. So I'm going to remove my makeup with these makeup wipes, and these are, I used the other ones last night and I really like them, so I'm going to try these ones out. And these are the cleansing makeup wipes, and then I'm going to use this in the shower, which is a body scrub. So it just says that I take a shower and then I spread this on the skin, I leave it on for a couple of minutes, and then I enjoy my beautiful skin. So I'm excited. I'm trying the strawberry one. So let's see. I have to figure out how to open this. I'm also going to be using the derma roller for scarring. And I have been really enjoying using this derma roller. I will do a more in-depth video, but I did use this in my last skincare video. So if you haven't seen it, then go watch it. You'll know how it works. So I'm going to leave a link down below. I also have to unpack. Both these suitcases are full. Like if you open this, it's full. Hello and good morning. It is Saturday. Just made myself breakfast. This is quiche, my weekend breakfast. And I am due to take a shower, have oil in my hair because my hair was feeling so dry. But I've just had a delivery. This was actually sent to me by Nishu Makeup Maniac. So if you know Nishu Khan or Nazish, she sent this to me and we are actually collaborating and doing a video of like swapping makeup. So she sent me things that she thought that I'd like to try, and I'm gonna send her things that she thinks that I think that she'd like. So I've already bought the stuff. One thing is missing. I will dispatch my order on Monday, and hopefully you will see in this collaboration video soon.
Yeah. We are at Newplex watching a movie.
The Greatest Showman. Excited? I'm really excited to watch this movie. Let's go. Excited? Okay, I've asked you if I'm excited like 1,000 times. So let's just concentrate on what we've made. So what did you think of the movie? I thought the movie was amazing.
I loved it.
I loved it as well. The soundtrack, really, really good. Also, we're like vlogging right in public. I would never vlog like this if I weren't with you.
Yeah.
Yeah, Bubs is like my Stone Cold Steve Austin.
Steve,
Bubs, do you want to film that ride?
yes. And let's do a
My
spot
favorite.
show.
I'm gonna go home and like watch all the songs again.
Same. Oh my god, yes.
Yes.
I love.
Okay, let's sit on that ride. Let's
Even
do
though
it.
I'm not a fan
Bubs
of
is
music.
buy ticket. Jaldi se.
Wait. Okay.
Yeah. Guys, we're all tucked in. Bubs is really scared of these rides. Bubs, don't get scared, okay?
Yeah, not this time. I've already had my
You're
fair
a
share
big
of
girl.
scary.
Look at the view from here. Yeah, I'm careful, Bubs. Don't worry. The only thing I'm afraid of dropping are my slippers.
Don't say a word while we dance with the devil. You brought a fire to a world.
Yeah, I didn't even scream once.
Yeah, you were a good, brave little girl. Actually, it wasn't that scary, to be very honest. It was like pretty kitty. But it was fun. Bubs, what do you want to do now?
Eat.
You want to eat? What do you want to eat? Where are we?
We are in Khadi at Newplex.
Yeah, like, do you want to get out of here?
Yes.
There's absolutely, I don't have space in my closet for any more clothes, so we're gonna walk away. Bubs, do you have space in your closet for more clothes?
Yeah, because actually
Your closet is empty, Bubs.
No. All your stuff is inside my closet.
That's true. I'm trying to downsize by not buying any new things and using old stuff. Bubs, you happy about that new ideology that I've come up with? I'm not sure if it qualifies to be an ideology.
What was it?
That I'm not gonna get any more things anymore because I don't have space to put them anywhere.
But you keep getting things.
I don't. I like some stuff. It's in a Safinas. I didn't get it.
Keep getting free stuff.
What shop is this? Nishad. Bubs, am I not the best company to have when you're shopping?
No.
I am. I know I am. Chocolate fudge brownie batter. It's really good. Bubs, we're gonna go for the same thing, but she's getting
Chocolate shavings.
chocolate shavings. Thanks. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to reach 200,000 subscribers by the end of this year. Maybe more, fingers crossed. So let's see if you guys can help me out. It would mean the world to me if you subscribed. And now I will see you in my next week's vlog. Bye.